You're up on a plane, high on top of the clouds. Clouds just want